Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SmartGS. Myself Praveen. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of unemployment in India. So let's get started. These are the topics we are going to cover in this video are what is the meaning of unemployment and what are the types of unemployments we can see in India and what is the role of government in dealing with this unemployment and what is the present situation at present in India, and finally conclusion. So let's begin with the definition of unemployment. Situation in which all those who seek the work but they could not find the work. Basically, unemployed is a person who is ready to work and is looking for an employment opportunity but he is unable to find the employment. Here we have to note the one point as those who remain unemployed voluntarily or are unable to work due to some physical or mental health problems are not counted as unemployed. In India, there is no well laid out mechanism to monitor the unemployment figures. But there is one body called Labour Bureau under the Government of India is an organization looks at the statistics of employment in 8 different sectors of economy on quarterly basis. That 8 sectors of economy are electricity, steel, refinery, cement, fertilizers, coal, oil and natural gas. Similarly, there is one office called NSSO, National Sample Survey Office, looks at household survey in 5 years. Other than that, there is no much than that mechanism available in our country with respect to unemployment figures. Let us see some different types of unemployments in India. They are hidden unemployment or disguised unemployment, seasonal unemployment, technical unemployment, structural unemployment, cyclical unemployment, educated unemployment, contract unemployment, preventive unemployment, long-term unemployment, sudden unemployment, and finally we will see the conclusion. So let us begin with the hidden unemployment, or we can say that disguised unemployment. So here the definition of hidden unemployment is when people more than required is hired for a job. This condition is called as hidden unemployment, as removing these people will not affect the work. It is also called as disguised. That is nothing but engaging more laborers also does not increase aggregate output. Or it is a situation where people more are engaged in a work than the required. Generally we can see this in agricultural sector. So here for example, let us take for example if 9 people are working in 1 acre of agricultural plot, even if 4 of them were withdrawn, there will be no reduction in the output. So here 4 people are considered as disguisedly unemployed, especially in rural areas. Example, in family members working in their small streets, corner shops, we can see this type of unemployment. So next type of unemployment is seasonal unemployment. It is the increased level of unemployment that is expected to occur during certain periods of year. Example, some tourist places, hill resorts, etc. The seasonal, as the name itself suggests that this type of unemployment is only a specific season of the year. Usually works related to agriculture, ice factory, resorts and sports industries are affected by this. Next category of unemployment is the technical unemployment. This situation arises due to increasing technical machines and instruments to replace human work. Example, robotics, AI, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, this type of unemployment. Due to this type of technical advancement, the type of people undergone the unemployment. Next, cyclical unemployment. As decrease in the overall level of business activity leads to cyclical unemployment. However, this incident is only for a short time. This relates to cyclical trends in growth and production. They occur within the business cycle. When business cycles are at their peak, cyclical unemployment will be low. When the economic output falls as measured by GDP, cyclical unemployment will rise. This is common feature when we look at a business cycle in any country. Here the unemployment depends on the business cycle, this category of unemployment. Next, structural unemployment. This type of unemployment occurs due to major changes in economic structure of the country. It is the result of technological advancement and economic development. It is due to some fundamental shifts in an economy. It is not due to business cycle. It is compounded by extraneous factors such as technology, competition and government policies. Even shift of manufacturing jobs from one location to other locations may also lead to structural unemployment as workers may find difficult to relocate. Example, lack of requisite job skills because of use of high-end technology. And American manufacturing sector lost several jobs due to shift of manufacturing to low-cost regions like China. Next, educated unemployment. It is the inability to find a suitable job, lack of employment skills, and faulty education system are some of the reasons that educated unemployment remains. For example, a PhD scholar working as a clerk, and other example, pizza boys being a graduated, he might works with some low category of job, that is pizza boys, Uber boys, like that. So it is also known as underemployment. This category of unemployment is also considered as underemployment. Next, contract unemployment. In this type of unemployment, people either work on a part-time basis or do the kind of work for which they are more qualified. Next type of unemployment is preventive unemployment. This occurs when the demand for the labor force and its supply are not properly coordinated. Next category of unemployment is long-term. Long-term unemployment is one that continues in the country due to rapid growth in population and low level of economic growth. And sudden employment, the next category is sudden unemployment. Such unemployment occurs due to a sudden drop in demand, short-term contracts or shortage of raw materials. So these are the some of the different types of unemployments we can see in any country, especially in developing countries like India. So next we have to see what is the government role here to prevent this further unemployment stages in India. To expel the growth, the employment is major boost. The employment plays a major role. By creating employment, one can earn some income. By that income, he can consume some goods. By that, the production of goods has to be increased. If the production increases, the growth will increase. If the growth increases, the GDP will increase. So here the GDP growth of any country, it relates to employment level. We have to see that what are the different steps the government will try to take in analyzing these employment situations in India. We will try to define some solutions to the problem of unemployment. The very first solution for the unemployment is to control the rising population of our country. Government should motivate people to have small families, and Indian government has started initiatives to control the population, but still the population and the inability to provide them job is an issue nowadays. Second solution is improve the quality of education and provide practical education like industry academia relationship. The maintenance of industry academia relationship is the must and should nowadays. Next, the third solution is youth should be given the knowledge and encouragement to choose the path of their choice, then that of the wish of someone else. This goal setting will help him to achieve heights in life. The next solution is government should encourage and develop the agricultural based industries in rural areas so that the rural candidates don't migrate to the urban areas. More employment should be generated in rural areas for the seasonally employed people. The next fifth solution is the growth of industrialization should be increased. Wherever the industrialization took place, then the migration can be prevented. The next solution is development of rural areas will stop the migration of the rural people to the urban cities, and this will not put more pressure on the urban city jobs. The next important solution we can give is foreign investments. Government should allow the more foreign companies to open their units in India so that more employment opportunity will be there. What is the present situation of India, we will see in a while. As per Labour Bureau of Government of India, the India's unemployment rate was unchanged at 23.5% in May 2020, the highest level on record, with urban jobless rate hitting a new all-time high as the country remains under lockdown amid a spike in the number of COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, there was a drop in rural unemployment following the unlocking of rural economy and better fund allocation under rural job schemes such as MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So, finally, we will conclude this session that if the problem of the unemployment is solved, it will help in development of the country. With population of 120 crores of people, our country's unemployment rate is increasing day by day. The problem of unemployment is rising, but still many industries are facing the problem of skilled candidates for their company. There is a growth of software companies, outsourcing companies in India, but still the country has a major number of unemployed individuals. The social and educational upgrading will help the country in eradicating the issue of unemployment and those connected problems. And the country like India can reach to heights in social, economical, developmental aspects by utilizing its manpower wisely. Often unemployment is a cause of many of the anti-social activities. The organization of the individuals to the job-oriented education and utilization of their skills and energy will help directly the growth of individuals and indirectly the development of the country. This is the topic of unemployment, types of unemployment, and what is the job of a government role, and finally we have seen the present situation of unemployment rate in India. So thank you. If you have any kind of queries regarding this video, please let me know in below comment section. And if you like the video, please like and share. To get regular updates from me, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Take care and Jai Hind.